Have you ever been tempted by those mesmerizing YouTube videos of people cooking mouth-watering steaks and fish in forests or mountains? Well, hold on tight, because you can learn to cook your own tempting and super easy meals on your backpacking trip. Cooking and having yummy meals while camping is like a dream come true, especially for the foodies out there. And of course, you cannot survive without food, right? So why not make it all by yourself and double the fun on your adventure? In this video, you'll learn to prepare 7 easy-to-cook and tastiest meals even if you're in the middle of a jungle or on top of a mountain. Just make sure to pack a portable stove or campfire-friendly cooking gear so you can cook these amazing meals outdoors. Let's get started. Number 7. Sandwiches. When it comes to easy and quick meals, sandwiches come first in mind. If you're in the middle of a trail and you get hungry, you just need something to eat immediately. Sandwiches are super easy to put together. 2 slices of bread, a spread of peanut butter, or some slices of ham and cheese. Maybe some lettuce for a crunch, and you've got yourself a good and tasty meal. While they may be very simple, they are a backpacker's reliable food. And the best part is, they're highly versatile. You can customize them with your favorite fillings and experiment with different flavors. Do you want a sweet and savory combo with peanut butter and banana, or a classic ham and cheese duo? You can get it easily. Number 6. Oatmeal. Oatmeals are great for breakfast during backpacking. They just start your day right. If you just woke up to a nice morning, making a quick and wholesome oatmeal breakfast would be awesome. Plus, they're easy to cook. Just add hot water, stir, and you have yourself a delicious meal in front of you. While oatmeal might seem plain on its own, you can add more flavor to it by tossing in a handful of nuts, some dried fruits, or a spoonful of peanut butter, and voila! Also, don't forget how power-packed oatmeals are. Oats give you the energy you need to get through these difficult trails, and they keep you full for a good time. Number 5. Chicken and rice. Now let's talk about a meal that's both easy to make and a super favorite among backpackers. Chicken and rice. Imagine you've had an exhausting day at hike, and you're now dying for a filling meal. Yep. Chicken and rice, guys. It's a simple yet satisfying dish that doesn't require a whole kitchen to make. Adding spices or a sauce can add a lot more flavor to it if you want. Oh, and the nutrients it has are enough to keep you full and energized for a long time. It's the kind of meal that makes you feel at home even when you're miles away from it. Number 4. Noodles. Noodles are like one of the easiest meals for backpacking adventures. When you're camping and your stomach says it's time to eat, noodles are a quick and lightweight option. Instant noodles are like the best buddy of a backpacker. You can make them better by adding dried veggies, some tuna or tofu, and spices or seasonings. You can literally make your plain noodles turn into a delicious and satisfying meal, giving you the energy to keep trekking. Number 3. Chili mac and cheese. Chili mac and cheese is a favorite for backpackers, a satisfying and hearty meal after a long day on the trail. This delicious combination of chili, macaroni, and cheese brings a bold flavor. They're often made with dried beans, ground meat, and spices with the creaminess of mac and cheese. Making it is simple. Just boil water and add it to a lightweight sealed bag containing the ingredients. Let it soak, and in no time, you'll have a hot bowl of delicious chili mac and cheese that your taste buds are obviously gonna love. Also, it restores your energy for your adventures. The mix of protein, carbs, and fats in this dish makes it a top choice for backpackers seeking an easy and tasty meal to fuel their bodies while exploring the great outdoors. Number 2. Pita wrap. A pita wrap is a simple and flexible meal idea for backpackers on the move. To make it, grab a whole grain pita and stuff it with canned tuna or chicken, some hummus, fresh veggies, and a bit of feta cheese. The cool thing about the pita wrap is that you can toss in whatever you like or have on hand. The pita acts like a convenient edible pocket, making it mess-free and easy to eat while you're hiking or chilling at camp. This meal packs a good mix of proteins, carbs, and important nutrients, keeping you fueled up for your outdoor adventures. And it's easy to pack and munch on while soaking in the great outdoors. Number 1. Meat and potatoes. You can't go wrong with good old meat and potatoes for a satisfying and no-nonsense backpacking meal. This filling dish usually involves dried or freeze-dried meats like beef or chicken and potatoes, often in flake form. Just add hot water to puff up the ingredients, and in a while, you've got a hot and tasty meal that's sure to keep you full and give you the energy you need for your adventures. The meat gives you protein for muscle strength, and the potatoes provide the carbs or energy to keep you up and running. It's a simple and comforting choice, perfect for backpackers looking for an easy and tasty meal that reminds them of home even when they're out backpacking. To sum it up, pick tasty meals like meat and potatoes or chili mac and cheese for a flavorful camping treat. Keep it simple and enjoy your outdoor adventure with good food. Ready for more fun? Watch our next video on how to handle animal encounters while backpacking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you in the next video.